Did you know an entire lake suffocated nearly 2,000 people overnight, and the bodies looked like they had simply fallen asleep? On August 21st, 1986, Lake Nyos in Cameroon released a massive pocket of carbon dioxide that had been building deep beneath its surface for years. The gas was invisible. It had no smell. And because it was heavier than air, it didn't rise. It rolled. Like a slow flood, it poured downhill through the valleys and into sleeping villages in the middle of the night. People died in their beds. They died mid-stride on paths. They died slumped over their livestock, which were also dead. No fire, no explosion, no warning sound of any kind. Survivors only lived because they happened to sleep on higher ground. When rescuers arrived the next morning, everything looked still, peaceful, even. That was the part that broke them. Roughly 1,746 people were killed in a single night by nothing they could see, and the lake is still there, still filling, still classified as an active threat.